with tricky question. Jai Shri Shyam friends. Welcome back to my channel, Kids Free Education. Children, do you want to try this fun passage? So बच्चों, आज मैं आपके लिए एक fun passage लाई हूँ and this passage is really very interesting and it is mix of every sound. A vowel A, E, I, O and U. But do you know, we have something interesting also at the end. But if you will think I will play it at last, no, then you will not know the answer. So there is a tricky question. If you will understand all and you will watch full video, you will not skip it, then only you will be able to try this tricky question. So don't skip this video, like this video, subscribe to my channel if you have not, and share it with your family, friends and relatives. And now let's start. CBC Words Mix Practice Worksheet. Passage. So this is your passage and these are your question answers. First let's read passage in a quick way. Okay, so you need to repeat after me. Sam is a little cat. So Sam is a little cat. The cat sat on a mat. So the Sam cat जो Sam बिल्ली थी, so it sat on a mat. वो मैट पर बैठ गई. Sam saw a red hen. So जो Sam थी, उसने देखा एक red hen. Wow! Sam saw a red hen. The hen is in a pen. So where did he see the hen? In a pen. As it is written, इधर लिखा है hen is in a pen. Hen pen में थी एक, जहाँ पर hens रहती है. Okay, not लिखने वाला pen. Okay, not the writing pen. The pig got a big fig. Now pig also came here. So the pig was having a big fig. उसके पास एक बहुत बड़ी fig थी. Okay, now let's read these two lines also. A fox ran to a log. So now a fox came. लोमड़ी. वो जल्दी से भागी. It ran to a log, towards a log. Okay, now let's read the last line also. A bug is on the rug. And then finally, it ended with a bug which was on a rug. See, so many animals and a fun story. Now let's move on to questions. Question answer. So the first question says, who is Sam? So who was Sam? Let's read the passage and let know. Sam, so we are getting to know it here, is a little, what is it? Cat. So Sam is a little cat. So let's write cat here. So you need to write short answer. One word answer only or two words like big fig if it asks. Okay. Second question says, what did Sam see? What did Sam see? Let's read. The cat sat on a mat. No. Sam saw a red hand. Sam saw a red hand. So we will write red hand like this. हम ऐसे लिखेंगे. Red, then hen, red hen. Now the next says, the third question says, where is the bug? So where is the bug? Let's start from the last line, okay? A bug is on the rug. So bug is on the rug, we found. See? In the last line it was written, the bug is on the rug. So we will write rug here. Now tricky question time. So the tricky question is, what did pig got? Okay, pig got a fig or a tail or what? What did it got? Tell me in the comment box. Okay, my champs. Thank you. Bye. Thanks. Please like, share and subscribe. You are smart. Bye.